This is our lecture number 29. We are doing the comparison here between the simple tenses. The simple tenses are the simple present tense, the simple past tense, and the simple future tense. A comparison, if we want to do the comparison between these three tenses, between these three tenses, we should say that the simple tenses are the simple present tense, the simple past tense, and the simple future tense. In the simple present tense, I said you in the last lecture that we use yes or yes suffix. If the subjects are he, she, it, then we use yes or es suffix to the main verb. And when we use the simple past tense, we do not use yes or es suffix to the main verb. We use only the ed verb, that is called the past verb. Means we use always there the regular verb or the irregular verb. And in the simple future tense, we use there the verb shall plus main verb and will plus main verb. For example, shall play, will play, shall do, will do, like this we speak. The main difference between these three simple tenses is that there is only one difference, and that difference is of the verb, because we have seen that their structures are similar, means S, V, O, C, means yes is yes, then V, O, C, means S, O, C plus full stop. This is the structure, means remaining structure, which is same, but the verbs are different in the structures. SVOC. These three tenses have the SVOC structure, but in that structure only verb is different. In the simple present tense, the verb is main verb, yes or es suffix, that verb takes. In the simple past tense, the verb is with ed, that is the past verb, regular or irregular verb. And then in the simple in the simple future tense, the verb takes shall plus main verb, will plus main verb. So this is the difference, main difference according to me is there. So to see the difference among these tenses, we will see their structures. The first structure means the structure of the simple present tense is subject plus main verb plus object plus C plus full stop. The structure of the simple past tense is subject plus past verb plus O plus C plus full stop. And the structure of the simple future tense is subject plus shall, will plus main verb plus O plus C plus full stop. Now, what is the difference among these structures? We have seen three structures. What is the difference among these three structures? That is our point. So the difference is like this. The first difference is the verbs are different only. In the structures of these tenses, the verbs are different only, means there is the difference between the verbs only. It is very clear that the verbs only tell us that the tenses are different. I will tell you here that the tense is made only because of the verbs. Verbs changes the tenses. Verb means tenses, I will say. If the word changes, verb changes. If the verb changes, then the tense changes. In this way, so in these three simple tenses, the verbs are different and the remaining elements are same. The remaining elements are same. Which are the remaining elements? Subject, object, complement and full stop. These are the remaining elements, and these remaining elements are very similar, very equal, or they are same in the three tenses. Then the verb only decide the tense. That is my point. If the verb is main verb, that decides that it is the simple present tense. If the verb is past, if the verb is in the past tense, suppose, or it is the past verb, it decides the simple past. And if the verb is in the form of shall, will plus MV, means shall go, will go, if in this way there is the verb, then that verb decides that this is the simple future tense. So we will see now these three structures or these three tenses with the help of some examples. I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they. Go or work or play, etc. we can say. Means, what is the clarification? The clarification is that we can speak I go, we go, you go, they go. In this way we can talk. This is called the simple present tense. If the subjects are he, she, it, if the subjects are he, she, it, in the simple present tense, we speak she goes, she works, she plays. She goes, she works, she plays. And when we take the simple past tense, we say I, we, you, they, he, she, it, boys, girls, policemen, any type of subject we can take, and the verb comes only the past verb. So we can say I, we, you, they, he, she, it, policemen, dogs, any subject we can say I, we, you, they, he, she, it, went there, worked there, played there. Means any type of subjects may be there. The verb always comes in the ed form, in the simple past tense. And now in the simple future tense, the verb comes in the form of shall, go in the form of will go. So I shall play on the ground tomorrow, we shall play on the ground tomorrow, they will play on the ground tomorrow, or they shall play on the ground tomorrow. In this way, in today's lecture, we have seen the difference of these simple tenses. I want to tell you, my students, I want to tell you, you should be there in the homes only. You should not come outside, because outside there is the corona. I hope that you will be only in homes or in your houses only. Thank you very much.